Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Stefania. I am fine.
Could you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. I am Eddie Marketing Cantillo. I live in Bogota. I have a daughter of 11 years old. I am a student of industrial engineering. I work in a company that produces cups for flowers. I am head of planning. I have more than 10 years of experience in the production area. I like cycling, reading, going to the cinema, and spending quality time with my family.
Why did you want to work for this company?
Because I know the market and know that it's a competitive company with a lot of potential for growth where I can contribute my experience and knowledge to improve its process.
What are your goals for the future?
To finish my university degree, to buy my house, and to have economic stability to be able to guide my family better future.
What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
I am an organized person, have good interpersonal relations, assertive and innovative communication. On the other hand, I am not patient and I don't like to work with very patient people.
Can you tell me a bit more about the skills you transfer from your previous line of work toward our department here? Previous line of work your to department here?
I am a person who is used to working under pressure and I can guarantee results thanks to my communication and teamwork skills. In addition, I stand out for my organization and my ability to optimize productivity and motivate my colleagues. My extensive training allows me to perform while guarantee the tasks of the position offered by thanks to my schooling organization, dynamic and assertive communication, I have been able to acquire the necessary knowledge to develop the function required for a position like this. I am highly motivated to put at the service of your team all my enthusiasm and my skills to streamline process and achieve the objectives set by the company.